maraschino cherries. Have some mandarin oranges here. Pineapple tidbits are gonna go here. Gonna dump all of them out. Go ahead and scoop all of this out onto your tray. I'm just using a regular casserole. This is such a easy and delicious no bake dessert. Or keep some extra for yourself to munch on for later. Doesn't matter. Mix all of your fruit together. I drained out my mandarin oranges and I drained out some of the pineapple tidbits, and you don't have to if you want it a little bit more wet. But we're gonna go in with some delicious fruit marshmallows. That's right, these little marshmallows are different flavor. The fruit flavor, there's strawberry, lime. We're gonna pour those on top. Oh, it's gonna be so delicious.
Look at that one. That one's crazy.
Oh, that one's, these are long.
They were mating.
Uh-oh. Mix this up. Look how pretty this looks. And it smells so good, doesn't it? Vanilla. You can use French vanilla. You can use any other kind, but we're going to use vanilla jello on this one.
Really?
Yep. Wow, it smells so good. You're going to mix that until there's no more powder. I have some white frosting here. And we're going to go ahead and we're just going to put this on a Tupperware lid. Some genius came up with this. I don't remember who it was though. You're just going to go all around. I think I need a bigger scoop. Let's go all around the lid. And just keep going. And yes, this is clean. This is washed. This is just regular white Pillsbury frosting.
Okay.
Okay, once you do that, you're going to grab your little, it's like a bowl cup thing. You're just going to
Place your mug.
place your mug,
Or bowl cup thing.
bowl cup thing,
Okay.
and just twist it like so.
I see. Look at that.
Now you have frosting on it.
Fancy.
So fancy. I have some sprinkles here. You're just going to go ahead and sprinkle these into your lid like this. Rolling it like that. It's going to look so much better. You just roll it around your cup. That looks better. See? And now you have this really cute decorated cup. And now you just wait for your salad to finish getting cool in the fridge and you're ready to serve it. So our salad is chilled and I have my cup here. So now we're gonna go ahead and scoop some of this deliciousness up because I am so ready to try this. Now I know that these fruit salads, which they shouldn't even be called salads because they're not really salads.
But it's not healthy if you call it.
Yeah. So let me know, did your mom or grandma ever make these for the holidays? Because let me know if your mama or grandmama ever made this for the holidays. I'm adding some maraschino cherries on top. And look at just how gorgeous this looks.
It's great.
Yeah, right? Looks really nice. Now we're gonna go ahead and try some. I'm just gonna try some from here. I don't wanna mess this up.
Okay.
This looks too pretty. So I'm gonna try some from here. I want a little bit of everything.
You gonna fit that in your mouth at once?
I want a good scoop. This is a good scoop.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Is it good?
Oh man. This is so delicious. It's so fruity.
Do you like this better than the other one? Do you like this one better?
I like this one better. This one's, I don't know, they both taste really, really good. You can't compare both of them because one's pistachio and one's vanilla. It's like comparing chocolate and vanilla ice cream. They're both so delicious in different ways.
Winner.
I give this a 15 out of 10.
15?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.